Assalamualaikum students, welcome back. I hope that you have completely understood the previous lecture in which we have discussed some MCQs related to different topics of first year, first chapter chemistry, and today I came here with some new MCQs. Let's discuss about MCQs. First MCQs relates to limiting reactant. What is limiting reactant? Limiting reactants are those reactants which gives us least amount of product and consume earlier during a chemical reaction. So what it says, limiting reactant is the reactant which consumes earlier, give least number of mole of product, and C option is A and B both. So its correct option is A and B both, because these two options are totally related to limiting reactant. Next MCQ is 13.5 gram of water is present in glass. How many molecules are there? We have to calculate the number of molecules. I have mentioned it earlier that we have a formula of number of molecules is equal to given mass over molar mass multiplied by Na, Avogadro's number. If I write 13.5 over here and molar mass of water is 18 gram and Avogadro number is 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power 23, then when I solve all these numerical problems, all these numerical steps, then we will obtain this answer, that 13.5 gram of water will have 4.51 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 molecules. Next, equal masses of oxygen, hydrogen, methane are at STP. It means we have equal masses of oxygen, hydrogen and methane, and the conditions are standard temperature and pressure. The ratio of their volumes is. What we have to do for solution, just take the equal masses of these three gases. For example, we have 16 gram oxygen, O2 16 gram, and hydrogen 16 gram, methane, it is also 16 gram. Now calculate the volume of these masses, occupied volume of individual gas. It is the half mole, so it will occupy 11.207 dm cube. 11.207 dm cube. Hydrogen has 8 mole. So we have to multiply 8 with 22.414 dm cube, and we will obtain the answer 179.312. It is the occupied volume by hydrogen gas, and it is 1 mole, so it will occupy 22.414 dm cube. Now if I divide with least amount, then dividing it with the same, dividing it with 11.207 and 11.207, it will have answer 1, and it will have 16, and it will have answer 2. So the ratio becomes 1 ratio 16:2. So the correct answer in this 1:16:2. It is the correct answer. If we take different gases and different gases have different molar masses, so their volumes will also be different. And in this case we have oxygen, hydrogen and methane. Then when we take the same mass of these three gases, then their volume will be different and we can calculate their ratio. In fourth MCQs, we have 1 mole of magnesium ion, and in this MCQs we have to find the positive charges in magnesium plus 2. Actually it was in the form of MgCl2, and when it decomposes it forms two type of ions, first Mg plus 2 and second is Cl negative. And in this case Mg plus 2 has almost 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 ions, and each ion has a plus 2 charge. So for total charge we have to multiply Avogadro number with 2, and if we multiply Avogadro's number with 2, we will obtain the answer 1.204 multiplied by 10 to the power 24. Now moving toward next MCQs. Which one of the following masses of carbon contain 1 mole of electron? And its answer is 2 gram. How 2 gram? First we have to calculate number of mole in 2 gram. So N is equal to 2 divided by 12. 2 is the given mass and 12 is the molar mass of carbon. So 2 divided by 12. Its answer will be 0.1666 and so on. Now we have to calculate the number of atoms in 0.166 mole. So for this purpose we have to multiply it with Avogadro's number. Number of atoms is equal to N multiplied by Na, and N is equal to 0.16661 multiplied by 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power 23. Then what we will obtain 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power 23. Then we will obtain number of atoms as 1.0037 multiplied by 10 to the power 23. Now we have atoms of carbon 1.0037 multiplied by 10 to the power 23 atoms. Now we know that one carbon atom contains 6 electrons. One carbon atom has 6 electrons, so we will multiply the 6 figure with the number of atoms. When we multiply the 6 with the number of atoms, for example 6, then we obtain the Avogadro's number, and we have taken the mass as 2 gram, and when we multiply these number of atoms with 6 and we obtain the Avogadro's number. Actually these are the number of electrons present in 2 gram carbon atoms. Next MCQ, 1 mole of CH4 contain dash atoms. We know that 1 mole of CH4 has Avogadro's number molecule, and one molecule contains 5 atoms. So we will multiply 5 with Avogadro number, and when we multiply 5 with Avogadro number, we take this answer 3.011 multiplied by 10 to the power 24. Next, largest number of molecules present in. In this case you can use your common sense that the compound among these having lesser molar mass, that will have the largest number of molecules. In this case, water has 18. In this case, carbon monoxide has 28, and it will have the larger molar mass. So water is the compound in which it has lesser amount and its molar mass is also less. So it will have a largest number of molecules present in it. Next MCQ is how many grams of sulfur are present in 2 mole sulfuric acid? In 1 mole sulfuric acid, it has 32 grams. And for 2 mole, we have to multiply 32 with 2. Then we will obtain 64 grams. Next, 19 MCQs. The volume occupied by 5.4 gram of dinitrogen pentoxide at STB. First of all, we know that 1 mole of dinitrogen pentoxide has a molar volume, that is 22.414. Then we will calculate the gram in 1 mole, and then we will calculate the occupied volume of 1 gram of dinitrogen pentoxide, and then at the end we will multiply 5.4 with the required volume, and it will have this answer, 1.29 dm cube. Next, 20 MCQ, 16 gram of hydrogen reacts with 16 gram oxygen and forms a dash of water. In this case, oxygen is a limiting reactant. When 16 gram of oxygen reacts, then it will consume completely. So 1 mole of hydrogen will react with 16 gram. 1 mole of hydrogen will react with 16 gram oxygen, and 1 mole of hydrogen is actually 2 gram. 2 gram of hydrogen. So the water will have 18 gram. 18 gram. And hydrogen will be excess reactant. Inshallah, I will come to you with the next 10 MCQs, and hope that you have completely learned about these MCQs and their solutions. Please subscribe my channel and share it with others. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.